Cloud mining on complete autopilot, and all you have to do is just click start and then enjoy your earnings. You can mine free Bitcoin with a cloud mining website that I have also personally used in order to mine hundreds of Bitcoins, and the best part is that all you need is a computer and an internet connection, and after that you can enjoy your profits. Make sure you do not skip any crucial and important step, because I guarantee that you do not want to miss this strategy. Hit the like and subscribe button, and this will boost your earnings, so make sure you do that. Let's jump right into this. So first thing that I want you guys to do is connect to this website called BTC Mining, and you can find a link to the website in the description, or you can search it up on Google. The very cool thing about these guys is that they have quite a few options that you can use to get free Bitcoin. First, we'll have the Bitcoin lottery, which is pretty much a lottery, but you will win Bitcoin. I do not really recommend you use it, but it is also a good method for you to get free Bitcoin. But we want to focus on the Bitcoin miner, so let's do that. For example, we have GPU mining, which allows you to connect your device into their system, and you can start mining free Bitcoin, but we also have many other options, as you can see on the screen. Now let's say that you are not a fan of Bitcoin, or you just simply think that it will fall back down and it won't grow anymore. This website also has an option for you. If we look down the right, we can see CPU Win, which will allow you to mine other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and many more. And before we move further, I just want to point out that Bitcoin is growing super fast right now, so you really want to hurry up, because there are predictions of Bitcoin going to $100,000, so you definitely do. Anyways, I just wanted to point out that you should focus on Bitcoin cloud mining, because this cryptocurrency is sky high right now and will grow even more. Moving back to the cloud mining website, I want to talk about what is in my opinion the best miner that you should use out of these, and show you how you can actually connect to it so you can start earning free Bitcoin. So we are going to click on this button that says join, and as you can see, it takes me to a page where it tells me that I need to use my Bitcoin wallet address to log in. Now for Bitcoin wallets, there are a lot of them, and you can find a good one on Google, or you can comment down below if you want me to do a video on what I think is the best Bitcoin wallet to use. After you entered your Bitcoin wallet address, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, one big feature of this website is Their affiliate program, which is very useful if you also have friends who want to make money online, but you also want to boost your Bitcoin earnings. As you guys can see right here, your cloud mining power will increase by 10% for every single friend or random person that starts using this website through your link. Imagine how fast you will mine and how much Bitcoin you will make if you invite 10 to 50 people. Now let's look at the miner that this website offers, and as you guys can see, these green texts or notifications are what you are earning, and they are going to be added to your balance automatically, so all you have to do is start the miner and enjoy the money. And after you started it, you can just go normally about your day. Bekasu, this will actually do not slow your browser much, so you won't even feel that this passive income source is working. Leave a comment if you are going to try it out. Now when you are actually satisfied with your Bitcoin earnings and how much you have made, you can just go and withdraw your Bitcoin straight to your Bitcoin wallet address. But, in order to do that, you will need to get to the limit, which is 0.005 Bitcoin, so this pretty much means that you can get your Bitcoin only after you hit that amount. But that is totally okay, because TIHS Bitcoin miner is pretty fast and you will get to that limit in no time. Let's now look at the other miners as well. So you have to do the exact same thing in order to start mining, but I will give you 1 minute to check out each miner so you know a little more about each miner and you know which one to choose. So if this website is not worth your like, I do not know what is. I just shared with you a secret that not a lot of people know about, so consider yourself lucky by subscribing to the channel and also liking this video. So this is the end of the video everyone. Make sure you comment if you stayed until now so I know that you are a loyal blazing hustler.